Hey there. I'm traveling right now and I was planning to stay away from home for a week, but plans change and I had to extend my travel for another week. I have my laptop with me, but I didn't take a mouse or my Wacom tablet and I need to sculpt some things for a client. So it's time to improvise. Yesterday I went out and bought the cheapest Wacom tablet I could find, which is this one by Wacom. I have no idea how good it is and I'm gonna try it out and see whether it's gonna do the trick. It's really tiny. I'll have a quick unpack, see what's inside, plug it into my laptop and try and do some Z brushing. So what are my thoughts on One by Wacom after using it a little bit? I have to say I quite like it. Basic, but it does everything it needs to do. The pressure sensitivity is 2048, which is exactly the same as that on my Cintiq back at home. That's quite a few years old, and this is the cool thing with technology. Tech specs of pro tools of the past become tech specs of entry-level tools these days. This is much cheaper, it's very portable. I can just plug it into my laptop and it's pretty much ready to go after downloading and installing the drivers. It does everything that I needed to do. I have the small version, maybe for someone who uses Photoshop and wants to do long strokes, this would be too small. For me, I always work in a pen mode in a tiny area of entire tablets, so this is not a problem. This is perfect size. In fact, this is great for traveling, and I'm going to be taking this with me on my travels a lot more, I think.